Hello everyone, I'm Teacher Michelle and welcome to another episode of Unang Math. For this episode, our lesson is finding the area of the sector using the length of the arc. In our previous episode, we already studied how to find the area of the sector using the ratio of the central angle. This time, we will be using the length of the arc in finding the area of the sector. Okay, we all know that sector is just part of a circle. In finding the area of the sector using the ratio of the central angle, our formula is pi r squared times a over 360. Pi r squared here is the whole area of the circle. We have to multiply this by the ratio of the central angle, which is represented by a over 360, because we are just trying to find the area of this specific part of a circle. Okay, how about if we will use the length of the arc? How are we going to find the area of this sector or of this specific part? Okay, our formula is 1/2 times the radius times the length of the arc. But how did we get this formula? Okay, in this formula, pi r squared times a over 360, length is hidden. Okay, now let's bring out the length in this formula. Okay, so this is area is equal to pi r squared can be written as radius times pi times radius. Radius times pi times radius is just equal to pi times radius squared. Okay, this is times a over 360. Okay, in finding the circumference of a circle, this is equal to 2 pi r. And since we will just find the length of this arc is part of this whole circumference. So length of the arc is equal to 2 pi r times the ratio of the central angle, which is a over 360. Okay, take a look at this one. These parts are just the same. So we just have here a is equal to r, and then the length or L is equal to 2. Okay, we need to eliminate 2 here, and we can do that by multiplying both sides by 1/2. So this is 1/2 times length and 1/2 times 2. So if we will simplify, this becomes 1. So we have here area is equal to radius, okay, times 1/2 times length. Okay, if we're going to fix this one, because number first before the variable, so area is equal to 1/2 times radius times the length. So this is now our formula in finding the area of the sector using the length of the arc. Okay, now let's answer this concept check question. For the following sector, let the arc length be L and the area be A. So we will fill in the blanks. Okay, in this figure, central angle is given, radius is given, and the length of the arc is also given. Okay, now we have two ways or two formulas on how to find the area of the sector. Okay, first is we will be using the ratio of the central angle. So this is area is equal to pi r squared, okay, times the ratio of the central angle, which is a over 360. So this is pi times radius is 8 centimeters. So 8 squared times the ratio of the central angle. So this central angle is 45. So it's 45 over 360. Okay, if we will simplify 45 over 360, that's equal to 1 over 8. Okay, simplify. 8 and 8 squared have common factor 8, so this becomes 8. So we have here pi times 8 times 1, that's equal to 8 pi. Okay, what about the second way or formula in finding the area of the sector? So, using the length of the arc. So, area is equal to 1/2 times the radius times the length. So, here, 1/2 times 8 is the radius times the length of the arc, which is 2 pi centimeters. So, this is 2 pi. Okay, let's simplify. This becomes 1, this is 4. So 1 times 4 times 2 pi, then that's equal to 8 pi. So you can use these formulas depending on the given. Okay, moving on. Let's answer this simple problem. We will find the area of the sector with a radius of 8 centimeters and an arc length of 3 pi centimeters. Okay, so this is our sector, and we will find the area of this sector. Okay, we have two ways on how to find the area of a sector. The first one is using the ratio of the central angle. So area is equal to pi r squared, which is the area of the whole circle. But since we are just finding the area of that specific sector or part, then we have to multiply by the ratio of the central angle. So A over 360. Okay, another way or formula is using the length of the arc. So this is area is equal to 1/2 times the radius times the length. Okay, looking at this figure in our given, length of the arc is given. Central angle is not given. That means we will use this second formula. So area is equal to 1/2. Radius is 8 centimeters. So this is times 8. And the length of the arc is 3 pi centimeters. So this is 3 pi. Okay, simplify. This becomes 1. This is 4. So 1 times 4 times 3 pi. Then this is equal to 12 pi. So the area of this sector is 12 pi square centimeter. Okay, let's answer the second question. What is the radius of the sector with an arc length of 6 pi centimeters and an area of 9 pi square centimeters? Okay, let's say this is our sector. Okay, so it's given that the arc length or the length of the arc is 6 pi centimeters. So this is 6 pi centimeter. Okay, area is 9 pi square centimeters. So the missing is the radius or this part. So radius is missing. Okay, again, first way on how to find the area of the sector is using the ratio of the central angle. So this is pi r squared times A over 360. Or another way is using the length of the arc. So this is 1/2 times the radius times the length. Okay, again, looking at the given here, we know that the length of the arc is 6 pi centimeter. So we will use this second formula or way. Okay, area is given, which is 9 pi square centimeters. And this is equal to 1/2. We don't know the radius, or we are looking for the radius. So times r, and the length is 6 pi. Okay, if we will simplify 2 and 6, so this becomes 1, this is now 3. And simplify more, 9 pi, and this is 3 pi, so this is now 3. So in this part, we only have r or radius. So that means radius is equal to 3. So radius is equal to 3. So radius now is equal to 3 centimeters.